Evolutionists claim that the Earth is millions and billions of years old. The Bible tells us that it is 6,000 years old. Evolutionists claim that things happen in nature slowly and gradually over long periods of time, and that this includes the deposition of gold deposits. That gold is millions and millions of years old and comes about slowly and gradually. However, it does not take a long time for gold deposits to form. Here's some very recent research. Please notice that this comes from 2013 and was produced in Nature magazine, the single highest magazine in the world for evolutionists. It turns out that earthquakes make gold instantaneously. That as earthquakes occur deep inside the ground, there's immediate massive pressure changes at certain points. And this causes that within a few seconds, well, it causes gold to precipitate out of groundwater. Now, if gold precipitates out of groundwater instantaneously during earthquakes, it shows that it doesn't take millions and millions of years for gold to form in the ground. And therefore, you really can trust the Bible that the Earth and the universe are really only 6,000 years old.